labor attaché with us, pero naman din siyempre tinatawag na officer in charge. At as much as gusto din namin siya ma-promote sa Mr. Quiet Please. So bigyan lang natin ng konting kasi nag-serve siya sa Philippine government at ang focus niya talaga is labor and employment with a particular concern for the welfare of overseas Filipino workers. He is the so-called small but teddy bear. Small but teddy bear, let's all welcome the former OIC of the Migrant Workers Office Eastern Region Operation. Let's all welcome Honorable Allen Leonard C. Morgan.
Hello po, good afternoon ulit sa lahat. Muli, nagpapasalamat po ang Migrant Workers Office sa inyong kooperasyon, dedikasyon at lahat-lahat ng efforts naduguan niya sa pawis, saka yung mga gastos na binulot mula sa mga personal na bulsa para itaguyod, matawid at mai-conduct natin ng maayos, masaya at masigla ang ating Kalayaan 2025 event. Hindi ko po kayo makakalimutan. Hindi ko po makakalimutan lahat ng efforts ng bawat isa sa inyo. Magmula sa Executive Committee, sa mga kasama ko po sa MWO, at ang working committees po na laging available every Fridays for all the meetings para mag-conduct ng ating mga event. Sa mga patinapay, palugaw, hindi na makakalimutan yun. Ayan. Tapos yung nakakapuyat na Zoom ni Boss Andrew. Yan. Kaya Ma'am Mary Jane na laging makulit. Yan. Thank you very much. Hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Alam niyo namang nilalapit na po kayo isa't isa hanggat maaari. Next year, hopefully, we will give better than the last one. We are already in the brainstorming phase of conducting the 2026 Kalayaan event to be a better one, mas maayos, merong time frames which will be talked about by January na. So we start early for the preparations para hindi tayo nagkakahol as to personal nating is may handa rin natin. Hopefully everyone will cooperate pa rin. We will see each other again next year. At maraming salamat po. Let's enjoy this day at hinanda po ng Executive Committee ito at ng Working Committee para sa ating lahat po. Maraming salamat po ulit.